Hello, so in this video, I will be showing on how to get the result of chi-square. Let's test of homogeneity. So first thing first, we need to make sure that we have our data. So these are data, intervention, and also the risk level. So let's go to the variable view and let's make sure that variable view set up very well. So in this part, we have our name and that would be our two variables, intervention and also the risk level. And also the variables we have there, we have these variables, mean values, and also we have also another values for the risk level. Now everything is perfectly fine here. And I would like to make sure as well that here in measures, our intervention is nominal, but our risk level should be ordinal. Why? Because high normal cholesterol is better than high cholesterol level in this case. Now, for our data, everything is now perfectly fine. We can now proceed to run just to check the assumptions. Now, for the steps, let's check the analyze. Let's click the descriptive statistics and also the crosstabs. Okay, now, okay. Now we have the rows and also the columns. Now, by the way, since I already transfer the variables, we need also to make sure that the rows is the variable level of cholesterol risk, and for the columns is the variable type of intervention. Now, after that, after transferring the variables to rows and to columns, let's now click the statistics here. So, of course, we need also to make sure that the chi-square should be checked or clicked. Now, I think everything is perfectly fine here. Then let's click continue. After that, let's click the cells here. And from here, we need as well to make sure to check the expected and also round cell counts. So we're good to go now. Let's click continue. Okay, and after that, um, let's click OK. Okay. All right, let's click OK. So these are the results. We have the case processing summary, level of cholesterol risk, and also we have the chi-square tests. Okay, now as you can see here, if there's no less than 5, meaning it's good. Okay, so this is also our chi-square. So everything is perfectly fine for this part. So we can now proceed to run the chi-square and do the test for homogeneity. Now to do that, let's have our steps and let's click the analyze. Okay, analyze, and let's click the descriptive. Again, descriptive statistics and crosstabs. Okay, okay. Now let's make sure that our statistics. Okay, right. Chi-square check. Okay, let's continue. Then make sure that our cells is okay. Cells. Okay. Now here, um, as a while ago, we checked the observe. I think now this time, let's make sure that um, this time let's make sure that unexpected here, let's uncheck that one. Let's uncheck that one and let's check the observe. Okay, let's check the observe and also let's check the columns. Okay, okay, that one. And check compare columns proportion. Okay, this one. Compare column proportions and also check adjust p-value. Okay, Okay, that one. Adjust p-values. Okay, I just want to make sure. Let me just make sure if I got it correctly. Observe, column, round cell counts. Okay, compare column proportions, adjust p-values. Okay, so we're good to go now. Let's click the continue. Okay, so after that, everything is perfectly fine out here. Let's go and let's click the OK. Now there you go. Okay. All right. Now we have our results, level of cholesterol risk. Okay. Now for diet and exercise, there is no significant difference between the two. And between drug and diet and between drug and exercise, there is a statistical significance different. Okay, so to check which among the intervention are statistically different from the rest, the similar letters would indicate no statistical significance and significance difference. And also, if it is the same letter, means no statistical significance difference. And if there is, then there is a statistical significant difference. So what I am trying to say here, the letters that I am trying to say is here. Okay, this one. Okay. All right. And also for our chi-square, as you can see, here significant value should less than 0.05. Okay. And also, okay, so therefore, there is a statistically significant difference in this part. So we got the right results. So that would be for the chi-square test of homogeneity.